Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best toy helicopters is probably one of the most exciting toys a child can own, offering a thrilling experience that sparks imagination and provides hours of fun. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some of the top toy helicopters for kids, helping you find the perfect model to bring joy and excitement to your child's playtime. Number 5. Battat 7-inch Rescue Helicopter Toy. This is a miniature toy helicopter designed for kids. It features a spinning propeller and realistic details, making playtime more engaging. The helicopter is equipped with LED spotlights and makes realistic noises. It brings the excitement of a real rescue mission to life. The doors open, adding to the realistic design. It allows kids to create their own rescue scenarios. This toy is built with a durable design. It's made to withstand the adventures of imaginative play. This toy encourages imaginative play and helps reduce screen time. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 3 and up. What we like. This helicopter boasts realistic details and a durable design. It encourages imaginative play, perfect for young children. If you're looking for a toy that sparks creativity and provides hours of fun, this is the one for you. What people say. The truck is the perfect size for little hands to grip and play with, and it has so many fun details. The bright colors and realistic design make it exciting, and the child loves pushing it around. The quality is great, with sturdy construction, and it has held up well even with rough play. Number 4. SYMA S107H ERC Helicopter for Kids. This SYMA S107H ERC helicopter is built with a full alloy metal body. It can handle rough landings and crashes, ensuring long-lasting durability for kids and adults. Flying is now easier than ever. With one-button takeoff and landing, and altitude hold, this helicopter helps beginners fly like pros. It's perfect for all ages. It features 2 speed settings. Low speed is for learning, while high speed lets you zip around. This toy grows with the user's abilities. With 2.4 GHz frequency technology, multiple helicopters can fly simultaneously. It's ideal for indoor family fun, encouraging bonding and teamwork. This RC helicopter is more than just a toy, it's a memorable gift. It sparks exploration, sharpens coordination, and creates fun playtime moments. The SYMA S107H ERC helicopter meets Amazon sustainability standards. This eco-friendly toy ensures safe play and supports a greener future. What we like. This helicopter features durable alloy construction and dual speed modes. It's easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. If you are a beginner or want to experience flying without complicated controls, you should consider this one. What people say. The helicopter is very easy to control. It is very durable and has withstood many crashes. The lights are very bright and make it easy to see at night. Number 3. DEERC DE52 RC Helicopter with Storage Case. Introducing the DEERC DE52, a remote control helicopter designed for everyone. It features one-key takeoff and landing, and advanced air pressure technology for stable hovering. With adjustable speed levels, you can quickly master the controls. This helicopter comes with 2 rechargeable modular batteries, offering up to 24 minutes of flight time. These batteries are safer and easier to manage than traditional ones. Plus, the LED lights make it possible to fly at night. The DEERC DE52 includes a specially designed storage case to protect the helicopter. It also comes with 2 different shells, offering more options for use. The case is designed for easy portability. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, this helicopter provides a stable signal and prevents interference. It has a control distance of about 98 feet. The 2 adjustable speeds are perfect for beginners and experienced users. Built with a metal body and flexible blades, this is a durable and safe toy for kids and adults. It requires no assembly and is easy to operate with one-key functions. It's the perfect indoor flying toy for everyone. What we like. This helicopter comes with modular batteries and multiple shells. It also includes a convenient storage case. If you like extended playtime and want a toy that offers versatility and protection, you'll love this. What people say. The helicopter is very easy to control. It is very durable and can withstand crashes. The lights are very bright and make it easy to see at night. Number 2. Cheerwing U-12 Mini RC Helicopter with Altitude Hold. Introducing the Cheerwing U-12. It features an altitude hold function, allowing it to maintain a constant height. This makes flying much easier, especially for beginners. With the one-key takeoff and landing feature, this helicopter is incredibly easy to operate. The built-in gyroscope technology ensures stable and smooth flights. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This RC helicopter offers 2 speed modes to accommodate different skill levels. The 2.4 GHz remote control system prevents signal interference. You can enjoy flying it with friends. The package includes 2 batteries, doubling your fun. It also comes with spare parts, such as tail blades and connect buckles. This ensures that you can keep flying for longer. Built with a durable metal frame and flexible blades, this mini helicopter can withstand numerous crashes. It's designed to be tough and safe, providing hours of entertainment. What we like. This helicopter has an altitude hold function and one-key takeoff landing. It's also durable and anti-collision. If you are looking for a toy that is easy to control and can withstand crashes, this is a great choice. What people say. The helicopter is very easy to control. The helicopter is very durable and can withstand crashes. The lights are very bright and make it easy to see in the dark. Number 1. DEERC 3.5 RC Helicopter for Beginners. This helicopter features a metal airframe and flexible ABS blades, built to withstand crashes. This makes it more rigid and durable, so anyone can fly with confidence. The remote control helicopter offers stable flight and easy control. It provides a simple and enjoyable experience for new pilots looking for a new challenge. It automatically hovers at a certain altitude after takeoff, thanks to advanced air pressure technology. Equipped with a built-in gyro, it moves flexibly and stably. The 2.4 GHz transmitter enhances your flying fun with its ease of use. You never have to worry about radio interference, just turn it on and stay connected. There is no external antenna to worry about. This is primarily for indoor flying and sometimes for outdoor flying with a light wind. It's the perfect indoor flying toy for boys, girls, and RC helicopter lovers. What we like. This helicopter is durable and impact resistant, ensuring it can handle bumps and crashes. It offers stable flight and easy control, making it perfect for beginners. If you want a toy that is easy to fly and built to last, this is the one for you. What people say. It has auto takeoff, auto landing, and altitude hold. It is made from durable materials that can withstand accidental crashes and bumps. The propellers are designed to be safe and gentle, reducing the risk of any accidents or injuries during play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.